I'm a lady. Ladies don't do the do. Hello, my wonderful people out there. I hope you're doing great. You know, it's your special, awesome, cute, adorable. Yeah, everybody know all of that already. Just get to the point. Alright, let me get down to the point. So, yes, for this week's episode, we're gonna share a view of something that happens very, very often. Not only to me, but I'm sure it happens to you too. You know those moments when you're like chilling at home and all of a sudden you hear the lion in the belly start roar. Yeah, and you know say a toilet time. So yeah, I know because you like it little comfort in the bathroom, you say alright, make sure you check to see if nobody else don't want to use the toilet cause you know me in the bathroom, you know, people are coming and bother me and disturb me dumb. You see me? So anyway, you say, oh, you want to use the bathroom? You want to use the bathroom? You ask everybody. And everybody said, no, they don't want to use the bathroom. So no, you go to the bathroom now. 5 minutes after, everybody are come and knock down your door now. Want to use the bathroom same time as you. And you just ask them if they want to use it, you know. Like say something wrong with them belly. But anyways, we're going to show you a clip just to share exactly what happens. So this, we call this video that Teko and KK bathroom fight moments. Check it out.
It's a thought restriction. Everybody's so fine, I can know restriction. It's a prescription.
Yo, then keep it short description.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Yo, that video mad though. What do you mean, man? Up. My thing. Yeah, it was so crazy, man.
That song was very invigorating.
Real, mate. You know what's the next one?
Yeah, play another one.
No, man. Feel like you bought your man, call me, yo. No, man. Yo, I could use the bathroom, man. I don't know why use the bathroom. No, man, the bathroom now reach me, I know, man. They're good. But good, man.
No, I don't want to defecate. I'm okay.
You want to use the bathroom?
What? Why you would ask me a question like that? I don't do those stuff.
Just cool on, man. Just cool on, man. I have to ask in the car. When I'm going to the bathroom, you know, nobody bother me.
No. I'm a lady. Ladies don't do the do.
No, man. You must kill me. I wonder if this is enough.
Oh my gosh, come on, let me use the bathroom. Come on. Oh, I need to do. I was just joking earlier on. Come on. This lady needs to do. Oh, come on.
You see it though. When me asking if you know I use the bathroom, no, I use it. I know me not bother me.
Oh.
Leave me alone, man, sure.
Come on. I want to do this. Oh, come on.
You too?
Defecate.
You too want to use the bathroom?
Defecate.
Sure.
Need the bathroom.
Tell me no use the bathroom. No come on and bother people.
True. Come on, nigga. I need to use the bathroom, man. I need to go. Come on, nigga. Wow, tap knock on the door, no man, Joe. You make sure I ask if you want to use the bathroom. You see, you never want to use the bathroom. No, man. Watch it from the door now.
So yeah, thank you for watching this week's episode on Bright Future Star Stevie. And before I go, I want to introduce a new thing on our show here where you can message us and tell us what you want to see next week, or ask us questions which we can answer in the other week's video. So anyway, we call this a dare video. Then you just type comments below this video, Dear Mario, so and so, and we'll answer those questions in the next videos. So yeah, comment below this video, for example, Dear Mario, why do you always wear hats? Yeah, and the answer will be in next week's video. So next,
Like,
comment,
share,
and
subscribe. Dream it,
believe it.
make it real.